what happens that, you see, to cleanse yourself, every evening we have to do little foot soaking, we do it, you see, just to cleanse yourself in the water, because water element is a very good thing, which you will know. It's very simple.
Now you put both the hands towards the photograph and feet in the water with a little salt. You can have little hot water, cold water or warm water according to the need. Suppose you are suffering from cold, better to take a warm water. Put a little salt in. Put your hands towards the photograph. You'll be amazed that the whole trouble will go away into the water, and you can throw away the water in the WC and you will be very much cured. Now this gentleman you ask, he did that. He had a heart attack. It was very serious. Everybody can do it.
मुख साफ करना चाहिए। तो सहज योगियों के लिए सोने से पहले पानी में बैठना 5 मिनट अत्यंत आवश्यक, वो चाहे कोई भी हो। आप बड़े पहुंचे हुए हो, आपका हमें नहीं पकड़ता, ये इससे मतलब नहीं है। आपको 5 मिनट पानी में बैठना चाहिए। आप लोगों को ये आदत लगे, इसलिए मैं जबरदस्ती बैठती हूँ कभी कभी, चलो मैं भी पानी में बैठती हूँ तो मेरे सहयोगी बैठेंगे। ये आदत बहुत ही अच्छी है। 5 मिनट पानी में सब सहयोगों को बैठना चाहिए। फोटो के सामने दीप जला करके, कुंकू वगैरह लगा के, फोटो के सामने दोनों हाथ रखे, दोनों पैर पानी में रख के सब सहयोगियों को बैठना चाहिए। आपके आधे से ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगे अगर आप ये करें। चाहे कुछ हो जाए, आप 5 मिनट की कोई मुश्किल नहीं है। सोने से पहले पानी में सबको बैठना चाहिए।
Sit with your both the hands towards the photograph and put both the feet in the water, little bit of salt in it, and about 5-10 minutes you must allow vibrations to clear you out. Then wipe your feet, put the water properly into some disposer, and then sit down for meditation. If you can do that every day, even 10 minutes is more than. And salt. So water and salt is very good for people who are suffering from overactivity. Now how do you do it? It's good for both, but especially for them. Like you have to put both the hands first towards the photograph, put both the feet in the water with little salt. Now if you are feeling the vibrations coming in both the hands equally the same, it's alright. You don't have to worry. But supposing one hand is more and one hand is less, the hand that is less has to go before the photograph, always. The hand that is less has to go towards the photograph and another one has to go out. And you'll be amazed the movement of the thing you will feel within yourself. These balloons will be moving like that. And you can feel it, that something moving in your head, you are getting relaxed. You can cure yourself if you have any problem with your stomach by going into the sea and putting your hands towards the outside.
Si vous avez un problème à l'estomac, vous pouvez vous guérir en allant dans la mer et en mettant les mains comme ça dehors.
After realization, if you soak your feet even in ordinary water with little salt in it and put your hand outside and ask the water to suck your negativity, it will.
Après la réalisation, même si vous mettez vos pieds dans un baquet d'eau et vous demandez à l'eau d'enlever la négativité qui est en vous, elle le fera.
Now in this hall there are more realized souls than unrealized.
Ici maintenant dans cette pièce, il y a plus d'âmes réalisées que d'âmes non réalisées.
Those who have experimented with this.
Ceux qui ont fait l'expérience de tout cela.
And they also know that we have cured cancer with this method.
Et ils savent aussi que nous avons guéri le cancer par cette méthode.
And so many diseases which are called as incurable.
Et tant d'autres maladies qu'on appelle inguérissables.
But for that, it is important that you must get connected with the all-pervading power.